how to make a Bank of America account. So you want to go to this website, bankofamerica.com, and right here we have to select open an account. So now you will see the different types of accounts that you can open, either checkings and savings, credit cards, home loans, small business, auto loans, and you can read through the rest. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do checkings and savings. So we just want to click on the picture. Now here you can select the type of account that you want to open. So for simple banking, you can do checklist banking with no overdraft fees. For everyday banking, you can do flexible everyday banking essentials. You get that. And for premier banking, if you have a higher balance, you will get complimentary services and interest. So you can see the rates or the fees right here. You can do either $5 or 0, 12 or 0, and 25 or 0. You can read through the information right here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to open the simple banking tutorial or the simple banking account. So now here you can select whether you want to add a savings account or you only want a Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance banking account. So I'm just going to do the basic option, and then this is what the application process looks like. So we go to application. Okay, so here's what we have to give them. We have to give them our first, middle, and last name, as well as any suffix if we have it. Date of birth, address. Now the ones with the tick are the mandatory ones. So name, last name, date of birth, address, phone number, what type of phone you use, and email address, as well as we need to confirm it right here. The next thing that we have to do is select whether we are a US citizen or not, and whether we have dual citizenship or not, as well as our country of residence, the country that we are currently living in. And arguably the most important thing, with our employment status, whether we're employed, self-employed, not employed, as well as our source of income. So if you have any co-appliance, you can click on here and you will add their information as well. And basically after we have filled in this information, then what we have to do is set up an account. So that means we have to create a username and password, and then read through the terms of conditions, and then you will just review all of your information and you can click on submit, and that is your application process for Bank of America. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.